Hi everyone, do you hear me? Share my screen now. Is it okay?
Yes, it's fine.
Yes.
Yeah, okay. So yes, there we go. So good morning everybody. I'm Guillaume Dujardin and I work for the company STME FIRE. So STME FIRE is a company we specialize in the wildfire protection, uh, and we are localized in the south of France next to Monaco. Uh, At the beginning, STME worked during 10 years for the installation of a system between the forest and urban interface to protect this some place in the interface. And with all the experience and the competence we gave with this opportunity, we create this company, Estimate Fire, in 2020. Donc it's a new one company, and we are specialized in this market to protect, and we offer some solution uh, to protect some place between on the urban forest interface. More particularly, some activities we did, some key figures. So it's 10 years experience. We have now today around 30 sites protected. Like we can see on this card, is all the site with on the motorway area in the south of France for which was not for the company. And what we can do and what we can offer is studies for the installation, where we can put the system and how we can let the system. We do installation of the system, and we can upkeep the system. So the system we want to introduce to you today for this presentation is as fire system. So this system is, like we can see on this picture, is a post with a different height between the vegetation, and this can send water or detergent around a circumference to protect and to increase for diminish to reduce the intensity of the fire and to slow down the advance of the wildfire. So we can use water on retardant, and it's a patented system. I can describe more on this slide. So for that, we are using some tank about retardant or water, a group of pump, and a spraying post to send the water on the place we want. It's a fixed pond. And for start this system, you can use a button directly installed in the machine room or in other place. Depends on the ask of the possibility. Or you can use your smartphone or your PC to start the system. Sorry, we use a data controller to control all the systems. So the water we have in the tanks, the start of the pump, which pump we want to open, and all the data we need. Some aspect of this solution is one pump you can cover around 300 meter per meter of protection. It's a radius about 30 meters. And so the particularity is we can control the water consumption by choosing which post we want to open and to project. We can manage, like I already said, this solution by PC or a it is totally autonomous. We want to be autonomous when the wildfire is coming. We know that the actors can shut down the electricity or the water, so we have our tank, a water tank dedicated of this protection. So you have, with this tank, you can protect the place with water is already on the place, and we are autonomous in energy with using batteries to can declare the system when we want. We have some warning and fault system because it's like an autonomous system. Uh, on this line, I can introduce you like a place we already protected and how we use our system to protect a place. Like we can see on this picture, you have three different color and three line with a certain number of points. So we have a red line, a green line, and blue line, I don't remember the name, and we can see that on the red line we have more posts and there are more near from the other one, because here is a direction where the fire have more chance to come. So we decided to increase the protection on this side. That's why we have more spawn here. And all on this example, the radius of each circle is about 30 meters. So with this type of protection, where is instant between the interface of urban and forest, we our, our aim is to diminish and reduce the intensity of the fire. And by reducing the intensity, when the practitioner come for evacuated people, there are more time to evacuate people, and people have more time to evacuate if they need, because this protection give more time before go to fighting the fire. Uh, After, I want to talk about our solution in which gaps they can answer. So we answer to the gap 4.8, and more specifically, sorry, for no specific guidelines exist for home protection in your area, and for people do not safe in the house when there's a fire. And with system, we can create some a water line around a house or a place to protect, and it could be increase the feel for, it could increase the feel of the people to be more safe here in this place. And that we want is to protect. We can protect a lot of different places like residential area, buildings, or I don't know, campings or anything else. And we have some testimony about some clients we already have, because we are today about, like I said, 30 installations. So the first one is like a university, and is this university, I show you the example before. Escota is a motorway, is a French motorway company, and there are about 20, 20 23 sites which we upkeep and protect, and some place like this. So that's all for me. Thank you for listening, and if you have some question, you can send me a message by email, like you can show my contacts, and that's all for me. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Seems that we're, let's say, more or less on time. So let's have a health break and we will resume back on 20 to 11. Is that okay with everybody? So thank you very much. We will resume back in 20 minutes. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Josh.